There was a heavy fire broken out in jungle. All animals, birds, everyone was rushing for a safer place, including King Lion. And then Lion noticed that a tiny hummingbird was rushing straight towards the fire. He shouted, "What are you doing? Committing suicide?" She said, "No, sir. I am going to extinguish this fire." He again asked, "How come?" She said, "Look at my beak. I am carrying a drop of water. I am doing my bit," she answered. Dear friends, I am not a priest, I am not a politician, I am not a speaker. I am one of you, I am your friend, I am your brother. And I can tell you here that I am here to tell you that there is a tiny hummingbird inside each one of you. You have that tiny hummingbird. I am here to awaken it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.